Assalamu alaikum everyone. In our last video, you guys see how to do some other. I don't know what I show in my last video, but I know what I need to do or what I need to show you in this video. That is a refer page. This video I am going to complete that refer page where if the user click, then he can copy the link, and if he want, he can share the invite link with his Telegram friend. Sound awesome? Let's do that. So for doing that, I have already a page on the client. Yeah, that name is friends. Now I have already the user information on the context, magic context. So first of all, what I need to do, I need to retrieve that magic context user information, and in this user information have the refer code. Okay, let's do that. So I just make a constant, and here there is a user, then whose context, now then magic context. Okay, magic, sorry, not only magic, there is magic cp probably. Yeah, magic cp. Now what I get in this user, I just need to do a console log for checking what I am getting from that user variable. In the user have a user, and that have a refer code and refer by. Okay, I just open the terminal. Okay, div tool. There is a div tool. Yeah, now you can see here a refer code. That is a refer code. So now we just need to copy that refer code. So for copying that refer code, that is, where is the model? Okay, close, open, close, then that is the copy invite link. Now I just add a on click here. Okay, I have created a on click, and you can see here I need to call navigator for copying the navigator, this one, navigator dot clipboard dot write text, and here I just need to copy first of all how it could work. So basically what I need to pass, the boat link here. At first, what is the boat? That is a boat, and that is the mini app. So I just need to copy that app. Then there have start param. As I know, I just need to see the documentation how the start param work. Telegram start param, telegram. Okay, so then after writing that mini app link, you just need to pass here a query parameter, that is startup. Then there have the code that is come from user, then user, and then again that is refer code. Yeah, now like I am making that for Rat Kingdom bot, but if someone makes something like Dogs Kingdom bot, then he just need to override that code. No, I will make an environment. So here user need to type his mini app link, invite mini web app link. An example, I just type, sorry, an example, that is the how this look, and that is the one. So when you use that, you just need to override that env. You will not needed to override a code on fin.tsx folder. Okay, here I need to write that just come from import, then meta, then env, and then here byte web app link. Now another thing is share invite link. So in Telegram there have a share widget. So like what I need to do, there are have a link, custom link. So I just copy that link, and then yeah, that is a link. URL is the URL where user will be sharing, and text will be optional, description. Okay, understand. Now share text or share. Now I just type a link here, a simple link, then optional check or something. Now what I need to copy, is there have something for generating that? Okay, I am getting a link here. If I click this link, you can see there have that URL and text or something. However, I just copy that link and then go VS Code, and there I open one click for sharing, inviting friend, or forwarding that message to a friend web, then share or open link, that's Telegram, open Telegram link, then the link should be this. You know that is a Telegram link that is start from t.me, and the URL is nothing, mainly there have the text. The text have a link and the link is this. Okay, what I need to do, I just need to type here please join this board buddy, BUDDY. Now again, if you don't need to override that message, I just make a variable on env again, so you can get it white, then message friend message, then the message should be okay. I just type the message and you can see that there have a variable that is white friend message. I just copy that variable and again go on the friend file folder, and here have that message, please join this bot buddy. So I just replace that and add import, then meta, then env, and then that white friend message. Now let's check out, is that working or no. So I just need to add one more thing. When I copy a link, because it's not show any message, then we don't understand is it copied or no. So for making a message, I just make it's a new line, and here I call toast. Yeah, is I am using toast or toaster. No, I am not using toaster. Okay, let's install React hot toast. So hot toast is a thing, so it can show some toast, you know, this kind of something is this kind of something. So I just copy that React hot toast and then install that on my client side, that is the client. And then I also need to do something like yeah, toaster. So I need to use the toaster on the main .tsx, and here I just type the toaster, yeah. Now here I will show a toast, then success, then the message should be copied. Okay, now I will run that on local host, and then if I just refresh that page, that you can see that is refreshing. Okay, cool. This take time, that because we are using port forwarding, so it's taking some time. And now if I click on the invite friend, then copy link, you can see copied. Now if I check my command clipboard, you can see Red Kingdom, then app. Okay, then there have a slash, there is not a slash or something. I just need to cut that. Okay, now if I click copied again, you can, okay, then open that clipboard, and you can see rat kingdom, clone board, then the start param. Okay, I know you guys not trust me, so I just send that on a board, and you can see that. And I can also open the mini app by clicking this. Okay, now there have another thing, share invite link. If I just click here, do any movement, brother? Nothing happening. Is there happening console log? That's telling me path full. Okay, then open delete. Okay, open TC link. That is not working properly. Now what I need to do, I just need to call open telegram link. There I have something more, as I know that is send data ready, read text from clipboard, request context, request write access dot okay, setting button, close, and anything other many thing. And there have three function. One is open link, open telegram link, and the open invoice. So ready text from clipboard, request contract, and there have many things. Show confirm. Okay, I just open that on link, so then see what happened here. If I now click here, you can see that it's opening on the Chrome, and yeah. Now what if I just type a URL here, and then after that URL I just paste that URL, then there is a open telegram link. Now if I just copy the click here, and then save it message, you can see this thing. So the mission is, here I need to pass two things. One is the link. So first there's copy link, and this one invite friend. Okay, now there have a link on text, that is a text, and here that is a link, entire link. Copy this and then replace that, type here. So here at first the link should be import meta env web app link, then app start app, then this. Now after completing that link, I don't think that, and the text is this, there is the text. Yeah, now it's look complete. Now if I just go on the board, what is the board, this, now share invite link on the zip message, you can see first thing is the link and second thing is the message that I have set on my env. Yeah, now I believe you guys understand how to copy a link and how to forward a message. So that is our mission, how to copy the link and how to forward that message, and that how the refer page work, because that page is only work like that, they have nothing. So tap the button for invite, they have nothing more. I don't need to retype the friend list or something more. So that is how work it is, and I believe you guys love this video. And if you really love this video or this kind of video, or if you really love this playlist, then please subscribe the channel and don't forget for like that video. See you on the next on any other video.